Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to verify your Uber account. The first thing you need to do is to start by opening your Uber app on your iPhone or Android. Make sure that you are logged into your account. On the home screen, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. It looks like a person's silhouette. And go ahead and tap settings. It's usually something that looks like the second item on the list. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to the settings window, and from the settings window you're going to see the first thing, which is at the top, your name. Mine is Amanda Mack, so go ahead and tap your name, and that's going to take you to the next window where we're going to see if we can verify our account or not. Now, if Uber needs additional verification, you're going to see a prompt or banner labeled complete your verification or something similar. Now here is complete your account checkup, which more or less look like a verification kind of thing. So complete your account checkup to make Uber work better for you and keep your account secure. So go ahead and click on begin checkup, and once you click on that, then Uber will walk you through the verification process. This may include confirming your email address, verifying your phone number, uploading a valid government issue ID like a passport, driver's license, or national ID, or taking a quick selfie for facial verification. Now, after following through the processes for verification, just go ahead and tap submit, and once your account is verified, Uber will now notify you with a confirmation message, and you may also receive an email that says your identity has now been successfully verified. And that's it. Your Uber account is now verified and ready to go. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.